Hi, my name is Reginald Balahaja, co-captain of Mapua Chirping Cardinals.
Hi, I'm Angelique Cafe, team captain of Mapua Chirping Cardinals.
Dynamic,
Dynamic stretching.
stunts,
Stunts.
backflip,
Split.
jumps,
Kicks.
pyramid,
Pyramids.
warm up,
Warm up.
uniform,
Uniforms, always.
props.
Props.
We are all inviting you to watch the NCAA Season 99 cheerleading competition this June 19 sa Phil Oil sa San Juan Arena. And please cheer with us sa araw na yon. We will do our best to show our school spirit and showcase our talent.
Hi, Mapua community. We encourage you to support us, Mapua Chirping Cardinals, for our upcoming competition on June 19 at Philol Arena. Kita-kits tayo soon!
Viva
Viva
Mapua!
Mapua!